Hi, welcome to Christy Sunrise. Today I'm going to share with you our recipe for homemade popcorn. We're going to begin with, we're going to use half a cup of popcorn. This is what we use now. We did used to use the generic bag that you buy from the store. That was fine. I don't remember it ever being a problem. This is what we use now. You will need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You need 1/4 cup of butter, or also known as half a stick. And then you're going to need half a teaspoon of popcorn salt. This is the popcorn salt that we use. Now, I'm going to use this pan. I'll share with you, this is the pan we inherited. You see the bottom of it's domed. This is what we normally make the popcorn in, but you'll probably have a pot more this size, so that's why I'm using this pot. So we're gonna turn it on, I'm putting it on medium high. Everybody's burners are different. Like I have burners that some get hotter than the other. Has to do with the propane, the fitting. You might have electric, I have gas. So this is really simple. We're just going to throw everything in here at the same time. So there's the oil, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of butter. Now I will tell you, my husband, when he makes it, he'll use a whole stick of butter. I don't do that. I'm going to throw the popcorn in. Again, half a cup of popcorn. And I'm going to put in half a level teaspoon, you can see, of the popcorn salt. Close the lid and shake. Whoa. Make sure you have a lid that stays on. And I'll let it sit a little bit and shake it, sit a little bit and shake it. When it starts popping, I shake it a lot. While that's starting to pop, I wanted to share with you, at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you what pairs with popcorn, and it's not a wine. I'll share that with you in a minute. Go ahead and stir this a little more, shake it. Way better than Jiffy Pop. But a nice gift idea, like at Christmas or something, if you wanted to make, you could buy a bowl, buy the popcorn, buy the popcorn salt. You can buy the oil, Orville Redenbacher's oil, put that in a popcorn bowl, pair with, I have these towels I make. I don't have a whole lot of these. Matter of fact, I only have 6, 3 of each. I'm going to show you the other one. And then they'll have the recipe, and you can make it real nice in the bowl. There's another towel that I have. Again, it has a recipe on it. And if you're local and you want a towel, let me know. I think I have 3 each. But anyway, it would be a nice gift. You can put it in a little cellophane bag, put a little bow on it. It'll be a nice Christmas gift and not that expensive. And we're being called to duty here. Okay, so it's starting to pop. I'm going to shake it. Make sure you use pot holders so that your hands don't get burned. We don't want you burned. I'm going to move this over so you'll be able to see the finished product. My husband usually is the popcorn maker in the house. We did inherit the popcorn pan that I showed you from his dad. That's what they made popcorn with growing up. I'm going to use 2 here because it's getting a little warm. Shake. You'll know when it's done when the popping slows down or stops. Can't wait to show you what we eat with the popcorn. My husband taught me the trick too. I'll show you in just a minute. This is such of a nice treat. Popcorn's good for you. And it's not expensive. Okay, it stopped popping. I turned off the flame, the burner. I'm gonna let it sit just for a second. It smells good. You can't smell it, but it smells delicious. Spoon it out into a bowl. It's hot. It's already buttered. If you want to add more butter, you can. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Like I said, my husband will use a whole stick. I don't use a whole stick. So this is what the popcorn looks like. It already looks buttery. You could melt some more butter and pour it on with it if you want. But here's the secret. Da-da-da-da. This is what we eat with the popcorn. I have the peanut. My husband has the plain peanuts. And then he has a glass of milk. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll try it. The popcorn's delicious. If you like the video, want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you want to share, that's good. If not, that doesn't matter to me. It matters to me that I'm sharing this information with you. It's delicious and I want you to try it. Have a wonderful day and thank you for coming.